So the next question is, the question is as follows. 5 years ago, a woman's age was the square of her son's age. 10 years hence, her age will be twice that of her son's age. Find the present age of woman. So let the present age of woman be X and her son's age be equal to Y. So let the present ages of woman and son be X and Y respectively. So what is the first condition? 5 years ago the woman's age was the square of her son's age. 5 years ago the woman's age is X minus 5. The son's age is Y minus 5. And the woman's age is equal to the square of the son's age. Equation clear? X minus 5 is equal to Y minus 5 whole square. And what is the second information? 10 years hence, iska matlab after 10 years. After 10 years, the woman's age will be X plus 10. The son's age will be Y plus 10. What is the relation between these two? Her age is twice that of her son's age. Her age is equal to 2 times her son's age. So these are the two informations. So let us just try to solve these two equations. From the second equation, X is equal to 2Y plus 20 minus 10. So X is equal to 2Y plus 10. So ये X जो है आप यहाँ सबस्टिट्यूट कर लीजिए. So 2Y plus 10 minus 5 is equal to Y minus 5 whole square. This implies 2Y plus 5 is equal to Y square minus 10y plus 25, which implies Y square minus 12y plus 20 is equal to 0. This implies Y minus 2 into Y minus 10 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 into Y minus 10 is equal to 0, which implies Y is equal to 2 or Y is equal to 10. But you need to discard this solution Y is equal to 2, क्योंकि अगर percentage 2 है तो there is no question of going 5 years back, because there is a situation which arises 5 years ago. अगर अभी age 2 years है तो 5 years ago तो होता ही नहीं है. So Y should be at least 5. So Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y equal to 2 is discarded. So Y is equal to 10 is the value of Y. So present age of son is equal to 10 years. So the present age of woman, X is equal to 2Y plus 10. That is 2 into 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. So present age of woman is equal to 30 years. So once you get X, once you get Y, substitute the value of Y here, you get the value of X. Clear? Easy? Next. A motor boat whose speed is 9 kilometers per hour in still water goes 12 kilometers downstream and comes back in a time of 3 hours. Find the speed of the stream. So you have a stream, assume it is flowing in this direction. You have a boat whose still speed is 9 kilometers per hour. And the speed of stream is unknown x kilometers per hour. Okay. So now the distance is given as 12 kilometers. Now the boat goes and comes back in 3 hours. That is the total time taken. So you know that the forward velocity is 9 plus x. and the backward speed is 9 minus x. kmph, kmph. So if you are going with the flow, the speed of water will be added, speed of stream will be added. If you are coming back, the speed of the stream will be subtracted. So t1 plus t2, total time is equal to 3. So what's the formula for time? Distance by speed. So 12 by 9 plus x, that's the first time, plus 12 by 9 minus x is equal to 3. So 12 common liya to 9 minus x plus 9 plus x divided by 81 minus x square is equal to 3. 4 times cancel hua. So 81 minus x square is equal to 18 into 4, which is 54. 18 4s are, 40 plus 2, 72. This implies x square is equal to 9, which implies x is equal to 3 kmph. X is equal to 3 kilometers per hour. Easy. So T1 plus T2 is equal to 3, hence x is equal to 3 kilometers per hour. That is the speed of the stream. So next question में जाएंगे. So some students went to an excursion by a bus to a picnic spot at a distance of 300 kilometers. While returning, it was raining and the bus has to reduce the speed by 5 kilometers per hour. And it took 2 hours longer. Find the time taken to return. So total distance जो है वो 300 किलोमीटर्स है. फॉरवर्ड स्पीड अगर x किलोमीटर्स पर आवर है तो बैकवर्ड स्पीड इज x minus 5 kmph. Okay, so forward speed is x, backward speed is x minus 5. Now forward time, if it is a t hours, backward time is a t plus 2 hours. So what are the equations? X into t is equal to 300, distance is equal to speed into time. X minus 5 times t plus 2 is also equal to 300. So यहाँ से xt minus 5t plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 300. So xt और 300 cancel हो जाएगा. So 2x is equal to 5t plus 10. Right? So x is equal to 5t plus 10 by 2. Substitute कर लीजिए. So 5t plus 10 by 2 times t is equal to 300. So 5t square plus 10t minus 600 is equal to 0 हो जाएगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद. एक 5 कैंसिल किया तो t स्क्वायर प्लस 2t माइनस 120 is equal to 0. So how do you split it? यहाँ 2 आना चाहिए. 120 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So you need 2. So 10 and 12. So t plus 12 into t minus 10 is equal to 0. That's the factorization. So this implies t is equal to either minus 12 or 10. So discard minus 12, which implies t is equal to 10 hours. That means the forward journey has taken 10 hours. The backward journey has taken 12 hours. The forward speed is simply the forward speed x is simply 300 by 10. 300 by 10 is 30 kilometers per hour. The backward speed is 25 kilometers per hour. So I hope you understand the various questions that involve the concepts of quadratic equations. So now is the time for you to go back to your textbooks and try to solve the different exercise questions that are given in your textbook. So if you have doubts again, you have to come back to us. Thank you.